Ready to meet the vegan volcano sandwich? It's the viral TikTok dish, but make it plant-based and seriously addictive. It all starts with our base perfect sticky sushi rice and 3 small cuts of nori. Then we load up on the good stuff: crisp carrots, grab your nori wrapper, fold it up, cool cucumber, and creamy avocado. Get ready for a flavor eruption. Now for the lava: a dollop of creamy Kewpie mayo, a drizzle of sweet teriyaki sauce, and a sprinkle of chopped spring onion and sesame seeds. Save this recipe and try the vegan volcano sandwich. Don't forget the Tugar ashi spice for that essential kick. Spread that spicy, savory topping right over your rice base. You won't regret it. Save this recipe and try the vegan volcano sandwich. You won't regret it.